are in Leadville RV Corral, which is slowly turning into Tiny House Leadville. So I am the property manager on site, and we're doing great strides to bring in tiny houses for rentals, nightly, weekly vacation rentals, and it's going great. It's a beautiful town, historic Leadville. We're right downtown. You can walk to everything, restaurants and shops and galleries. And then just a few minutes down the road, you can play in the mountains. There's tons of fishing, hiking, biking, skiing and snowboarding. So there's a lot of fun things to do. Another part of our plan is we would really love to have full-time tiny homers here on property, and so we're developing this into thirds. So tiny house rentals, full-time tiny homers, and then we'll still have RVs come and go as well on the property because we have a lot of attraction for being right downtown.
Thank you for watching our video and for stopping by Tiny House Expedition. I'm Alexis.
And I'm Christian. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And for more tiny home tours and stories, click the videos below.
And join us on Patreon for bonus content,
including face-to-face conversations with us. We hope to see you there.
All right.
Thanks, guys.
Have a good one.